I have always believed that giving back is an important thing. I've raised my children to believe that giving back to society and to others is an important thing, and it feels great. And I've enjoyed being able to give back through CGLA. I've had a chance to see firsthand the results that CGLA has on the clients' lives. I've seen people whose lives have turned around because of the work CGLA does. So it makes me feel confident knowing that when I support CGLA, I can say it honestly to people, this is a great, great agency. This is a great group of people who give back the way we would like to all give back, that we can be sure that what we give in our time and our money goes directly to helping people, truly helping people in their lives. Those of us who are involved, those of us who believe in that, need to stand up and be more righteous about it. We can build our community, our city, our country, but only when we all come together and give back. So tonight, all of us here can make a difference in supporting CGLA. All of us here can be part of the story.